Are you someone who enjoys luxury private club living and also likes to renovate homes? I'm going to show you how to take this exact same floor plan and turn it from this to this. If you want a gorgeous master suite that looks just like this, but with this view. From this, the transformation potential for this floor plan is endless. And I even have the custom home builder on speed dial, ready to customize your home just for you. If you want to live this luxurious lifestyle at Harbour Ridge, give me a call.